How you doing? I'm going to show you really quick how to graph a system of linear equations. Now, you're probably going to be doing this in the second semester of Algebra 1, and it's something you have to know. So, it's going to be based on the first semester, all the stuff you learned about y equals mx plus b, and how to go rise over run, and that's the y-intercept, and all that kind of stuff. But what you need to know here is the first thing I always do is I figure out what inequality sign I have here. Well, this is greater than, this is less than. If you watched my other video, I said less than actually looks like an L. You can write less. Okay? Greater than is like that. And then less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. Now, these are naked, kinda. These I've added the line underneath. So with these, I'm going to have open circles with an open dashed line, and this I'm going to have closed circles with a closed line. I'm adding a line under here. I'm adding solid shading to what I previously had. Okay, just kind of remember that. So let's take the first one, that one right there. Alright, that's a horrible arrow. Okay, we're going to go up 1 for our y-intercept. This is going to be open circles with a dashed line, and I would suggest doing this every time you do it. Put what it is right next to it. Now I can go ahead and put it down here. This is going to be solid circle with a solid line because it's less than or equal to. So this is going to be greater than. It's going to be an open circle. I'm going to make my circles big so you can see them. Then I'm going to go down 4 to the right 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And yeah, I'm just going to guess. Okay, then I can do the pattern on the other side. I can go 1. Oh, what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 5. Now, I just mirrored the pattern on the other side, so I went down 4 over 5 and went up 4. Yeah, up 4 over 5. It's not perfect, but it'll get you the answer. So then it's open circles, so you have to put an open line. Just remember that, open circles, open line. And this is a boundary line, so you want to continue it to the end of your grid. You know, the arrows that you used earlier are pretty much for just linear equations, which is just one line, which is the y equals mx plus b. So here I would just continue it to the edge of your graph on your paper. Now, the first one's done. I'm going to take that off, and that one's done. Now we're going to do this one. And you know what? I'm not even going to, oh, it's a much better arrow. I'm not even going to change colors, because if you're in math class, you're going to be using a pencil, and you might not be able to change colors. So I'm going to go with that, okay? I got a positive 3 for my y-intercept. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to put a circle, and it's going to be solid because this is less than or equal to. Okay. Now you can go ahead and, I did forget one step. You can go ahead and say on this first one, y is greater than. So it's y is greater than this point. So I always put like little arrows showing me which way I'm going to be shading. Just so I remember. I can come at the end and do all that, but just so I remember which way I'm going here. So I got my y-intercept of positive 3, and I'm going to go up 2 and over 3. So up 2 and over 3. I'm going to put my dot here. I'm going to go down 2, over 3. I'm going to put my other dot here. And I can continue the pattern, but just to save time, I'm just going to draw my line. It's going to be a solid line. And it's not perfect. Remember, this is not math, or this is not art class. This is definitely math class. So this is my second linear equation, and it's y is less than or equal to. So I'm going to be shading this way. And with the system of linear inequalities, what we're doing here is we're finding which one these two cross. So if this one is being shaded this way, and this one is being shaded this way, this is the region where they both cross. Now, my shading is not going to be perfect because I really don't care. The point is to get the answer, and this is the answer right there. So, I hope that helped you. Thank you for watching.